In this video, we're going to be covering a new enhancement for FTx Cloud POS, the non-member fee, and how you can implement it in your business. The first thing I'm going to show you is the control center side, which needs to be set up before the non-member fee is implemented in your system. So first you log into your control center like normal. You can see on the main screen here, you're going to click into point of sale, and then maintenance, and then settings and panels. The first thing I'm going to be showing you is how to set up the department that the non-member fee is going to be tied to. In the settings, click on the POS tab right here, and then products in general. This is where you will designate the open department that you are going to be using to categorize our non-member fee sales. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see this drop-down menu with the non-member fee. You can select any open department we have set up. The way that the program is designed, you should only select an open department for the non-member fee. There can't be any products assigned to that department. Once the non-member fee department is set up, let's scroll to the top and click Save. In the current version of this feature, the fee must be set on a product-by-product basis. I already have several products that have been set up for this. To set that member fee up, you'll want to go into the point of sale and go to your price book, and then products. Look up the product that you want to set it on. In this case, I already have a product in mind. I'll be putting in that UPC number. Once you have your product designated, just click on the product name or the modify button, which will bring you to the edit product page. On the right hand side of the screen, you will see the additional information tab. You'll see a new field called the non-member fee. Again, the non-member fee is designated on a product by product basis. It is a dollar amount. So 0.20 equals 20 cents, 1.20 equals $1.20, etc. This is not a percentage of the purchase price. This is strictly for a dollar amount. Once a non-member fee is set here, all you need to do is press close and save. The next time your point of sale is launched, it will update that information to the database. Now we're going to be showing you the effects of the non-member fee on the POS system and going through several transactions, as well as the customer's perspective, to see what exactly is going on. I'm just going to go ahead here and log in and open a sale. First thing we're going to do is show you the simple way of pulling up one item with one non-member fee. We'll be using the UPC that we used earlier. This is a pack of cigarettes with a price of $10. Go through the age verification process. And as you can see in the upper left-hand corner in your preview window, you will see an entry here with two items, the original price for the item here, and the calculated non-member fee. If we open this up, you can also see the full receipt view. This is pretty much the same thing. Now you can edit the quantity of the item itself like normal. However, the non-member fee is set specifically so it cannot be edited. That non-member fee will be generated whenever a new item is attached to that receipt. If we add in another item with a non-member fee of 10 cents that was set previously, let's do that now. We're going to select it, press OK, and as you can see, the non-member fee has increased to 30 cents. 20 cents for the pack of Newports and 10 cents for the Marlboros. Taxation will happen as normal. The non-member fee will be taxed at the rate that the open department is set to, not at the rate the items are set to. And that's a concern for the control center side, not for the store side. If we open up our receipt here, the original 20 cents has disappeared from the transaction. It has been recalculated to include the additional 10 cents from the pack of Marlboros. If we want to go and add in another item that does not have a non-member fee assigned to it, the preview window will update like normal. The taxes will update like normal as well. The non-member fee will regenerate itself to the same value, taking the 20-cent value from the pack of Newports and the 10 cents from the Marlboros, and putting it down at the bottom of the list. This is what the cashier will see, and eventually when the receipt is printed out, this is what the customer will see as well. However, built into this functionality is the ability to remove that non-member fee. The non-member fee is specifically designed to apply when a loyalty member is not logged in. When we go down here to customer, we can either scan them in or put in a current customer's phone number. In this case, we're going to look them up and log in our customer. But the temporary window and the full receipt window will update itself, removing the non-member fee, applying whatever bonuses are applied to those items, as well as any discounts for the loyalty member. The next function we're going to be exploring here is the void functionality with no customers logged in. Remember, the camel pack that I'm putting in has no non-member fee attached to it. We're going to void the last item, which should void the camel pack. It will add a new void item here for a negative quantity and a negative dollar amount. Let's do the same thing again. We're going to do a manual void sale, and we're going to select our Newport Light 100 pack, which has the non-member fee attached to it. We've pointed out, as you can see, the non-member fee has been removed from the transaction entirely. Now we're going to demonstrate a return on the item in the off chance that a mistake was made. I'm going to select Return, Manual Item Return, and find the item to do the process. As you can see here, this is a non-member fee of negative 20 cents, and a pack of Newports at negative $10. It will calculate the taxes and proceed as normal. It is important to remember that when a return is processed, the state of the transaction has to be the same state in regards to loyalty as when the initial purchase was made. If the loyalty member was not logged in at the time of the original purchase and they are logged in at the time of the return, they will not receive the non-member fee back. In this case, they are logged in. I'm going to demonstrate this. We void the last item, do a return here, and we're going to log in our loyalty customer. Upon login, the void and return is still there, but the non-member fee has been removed. The sign-up process for Loyal and Save members shouldn't affect this process until the very end. In this case, we're going to do a new customer lookup. Upon the customer's creation, the customer is logged into the transaction, which activates our code and easily removes the non-member fee. Now, in the off chance that a member decides to have themselves logged out in the middle of this transaction, we open up Customer, we clear the customer, the receipt regenerates with the non-member fee attached. The next feature I would like to show is how it interacts with the Suspend and Resume Sale feature in our POS system. As you can see, we already have a transaction pulled up here for one pack and one non-member fee. We're going to suspend the sale, and as we resume the sale and open it back up, it will regenerate like normal. This resuming can be done on one item, multiple items, depending on the receipt. The functionality of this change takes any item that has a non-member fee attached to it in the database and adds only those values to the non-member fee field on the bottom of the receipt. And now you know the ins and outs of the non-member fee enhancement in FTx Cloud POS.